Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can install HDO Box on Chromecast. So Chromecast does not support APK file installation, but you can do it by alternative methods. So there are two methods that I will show you in this video. So the first method is you can use your Android phone to cast HD Box. So for that, just install HDO Box on your Android phone. For that, just simply download the HDO Box APK file from a trusted source you can use as its official site. And after downloading, just install it in your phone. Once you install it, just open Google Home app and tap Cast Screen. Then open HDO Box on your phone and just simply play content. It will mirror to your TV. So this is the first method. The second method is just sideload HDO Box on Chromecast with Google TV. For that, just first of all you have to enable developer mode in your mobile. For that, just go to settings, systems, then about, then tap on build 7 times and your enable developer option will be enabled. After when it shows, just enable unknown sources. After that, just install downloader app. For that, just open your Google Play Store and simply install downloader app from your Play Store. Once you download and install downloader, just simply open it and just enter the HDO Box APK URL. When you add your URL, just simply click on install and your HDO Box will be installed. Now just simply open it and log in with your credentials. So these are the two ways that you can use in order to install HDO Box on Chromecast. Thank you for watching.